Hello everyone, welcome to ExamB. You may subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon so that you do not miss updates on our upcoming videos. We are now on day 6 of this 50 days 50 questions series. I hope your preparation is going really well. Let's start with the question for today. The question is, an economic historian reports that econometric studies indicate for the pre-1860, the price elasticity of demand for cotton from the American South was approximately -1. So basically, we are given the price elasticity of demand to be -1. Now, due to the rapid expansion of the British textile industry, the demand curve for American cotton is estimated to have shifted outward by about 5%. Okay, so the demand curve has shifted by 5% per year during this entire period. Now, assuming a constant price elasticity of -1, we are saying that this does not change the price elasticity. Even if the demand curve shifts outward by 5%, the price elasticity still remains the same. And assuming that when the price is ₹20, the quantity is also 20. So what is the total revenue when the price is 20? Okay, that's what we need to find out. Here the options are 300, 200, 400, 100 and 900 on the screen. If you know this answer, pause the video right now, answer the question and then continue watching. Now notice here we are given that the price elasticity of demand, okay, that is not changing, it's still -1. That is unitary elastic. So when this happens, remember from your consumer theory concepts that when the elasticity of demand is unitary elastic, we know that the total expenditure remains constant. This does not change. So total expenditure or total revenue, one and the same thing only, right? So you have to find out the total revenue here, which is exactly the same thing as finding the total expenditure, because this total expenditure we look at from the consumer side, but total revenue is what the producer receives. It's the same amount, just the way of looking at each other is different. So total expenditure we know is price times quantity demanded, right? So when the price was 20, we know that the quantity sold was also 20. So that's why the total expenditure would be 400. And when there is a shift of the demand curve by 5%, we had to find out the total revenue when the price is 20. So again, there is not going to be any change in the total expenditure or the total revenue because the elasticity of demand is here -1. So this would be your answer. So the answer is C, which is 400. Okay, I hope this is clear now. You can also attempt the mock test also on the website for more such kind of questions. If you like, you have any other queries, call us on this number or you can email. Thank you. Keep preparing.